How's it going, everyone? In today's video, I'll show you on how you can record yourself on Loom. So it's going to be extremely simple. The first thing that you want to do is to navigate through the homepage of Loom, and then you simply want to click on start recording. Now, in order to actually record, you need to get yourself the Chrome extension. So click install Chrome extension right here. Click add to your browser, and it will automatically install onto your selected browser. From there, click on the extensions tab. So in most browsers, it's just going to be at the top corner of your screen. In here, click and look for the Loom screen recorder. So in my case, it's going to be this one. It will basically open up a new tab. So just wait for it to actually finish loading. And inside this page, click on the allow while visiting the site. This allows it to basically gain access to your camera and your microphone. And this is a really essential step in order to actually record yourself. So in my case, I'm just going to actually click on my camera right here. And then I want to click on camera only, since this is a video about recording ourselves. And of course, from there, you now want to click on the camera that you want to use. So I'm going to click on this one. Hello, everyone. This is Guide to Everything. And basically right after, we can now click on the start recording option. But of course, before you do that, you could also set your microphone the way you want to. So let me just go ahead and make my face right here, just to make sure that everything is perfect together. Click start recording. Wait for it to actually finish loading. And from there, we are now recording ourselves. Hello everyone, this is Guide to Everything, and I'm recording myself using Loom. It's extremely simple, fast, and easy to use. So right after editing, or I mean recording yourself on Loom, click the finished recording button, which is going to be this one. It will then prompt us to another window on which we can now preview the recording that we just made. Ourselves. Hello everyone, this is... And so guys, if this video has been helpful, leave a like, subscribe, and follow us for more videos like this. Thanks for watching.